Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Ukwenzo did what he needed to do and responded how he needed to respond. However, the media spin the whole thing around and Usibongile got hold of the news. In the media, it was as if Ukwenzo is a bachelor after his divorce. And that upset Usibongile. Usibongile was like, you need to tell people that you are with me in. I'm like, Usibongile at this point does not know what to do. But okay, that's where she is. Umama kaPhetheni then decides to betray uPhetheni and tell uSibalikhulu ukuthi uPhetheni was cheating. Phetheni did that after she gave birth. Nan. Remember, uSibalikhulu is suspecting that Vusi is not his child. But all of a sudden, uVusi is the one that loves uBabakhe more than anything. So I'm thinking ukuthi vele the storyline is going to go to that direction, saying, no, Vusi is not Sibalikhulu's child, which is honestly going to be a boring storyline. But nonetheless, we are here and we are going to check what's happening. After umama khona sekatsheliwe, ugogo khona sekatsheliwe, and they wanted to even bribe her and stuff, but I do not know what the intentions of the mother, what are they. However, I don't think this is what could break a marriage unless uSibalikhulu are selfish, ungrateful, and all these fools that are there. Lokhunja Mntana Bantu Shemuvelephi is disappointed because she planned a bachelorette's party and because she's getting married tomorrow at Home Affairs. While she was excited, enjoying her day, I was a ubaba boy, was ubaba kaSipho mtshela ukuthi uSipho hlukana naye phansi akashadi nawe. uSipho naye wavela wathi we cannot do this. Wakhala ke uVelephi asibuza ukuthi what have I done in life? Good things do not nje fanela mimi. Now everything that is bad is coming my way. I don't get married, I don't get this, I don't get that. But we all know ukuthi Ugo was getting married for the wrong reasons. Then kube ubani unomfundo ne-boyfriend. I-boyfriend shem imtshele ngama-boundaries kuwukuthi uye waba ne-conversation no-Mavis earlier on. Mavis who tried to show her ukuthi mamela, you had a problem when you were a side chick and you felt like that man is seeing her wife, his wife rather, excuse me, more than you. So now that you are in this position, you are making this man feel like a side. So show this man that he's not a side and. So hayi ugelwa wathi khuphula amakawusi wavumelana nendoda. We believe endodeni.